Let's see what's inside. Here the watch.
Silver color.
This is the charging dock. Warranty card. And the quick start guide. Tell you what to do, how to on, and connection and all this. Watch6 Classic comes in two different colors, silver and black, and also two different sizes as well, 43mm minimum or 47mm. Let's compare both of the watch and let's see, is it worth buying this one or stick to this one. Look wise, this does look nice because it's meant to be classic, so it has a bit of classic touch. And the look, still slightly bigger, which is this one 40mm and this is 43mm, little bit different. And this is slightly heavy as well, because I guess because of the design, the way it looks, they have to add some extra bits to it. That's why this is about 23 gram heavier than Watch5. They both have a dual core CPU. As you can see, Watch6 looks a little brighter and better look than the Watch5. Do you know why? Because of the mains display resolution. This has a slightly better resolution than this one. This is 396 by 396. This is 432 by 432. That's why you can see this is a little better looks than the other one. It's a bit dark and dull. Storage in both of them 16 GB, so no different in storage, all same. Battery life slightly increased in this one, which is just 16 mAh. It's not much different because again they both runs up to 40 hours, so I don't think it makes any difference. Now it's up to you. Wanna buy this or stick to this? I think for me this is still better than paying extra £100 for this one and getting nothing. Thank you.